name is Dominik and I'm a passionate fisherman and enthusiastic camper. I fish the waters of Europe, especially in Germany and the Netherlands from my boat. To stay flexible on the road, I travel with my Volkswagen camper van. Since I rely on electricity during these trips, I've been using LiTime batteries for almost 5 years now. Even as a child, I loved being outdoors and I've carried that passion into adulthood. Time on the water always feels like a mini vacation where I can leave everyday stress behind. The weather doesn't matter, it's all part of the experience. What I appreciate most about traveling with the camper is the independence. Even the drive to the destination is part of the holiday. If I discover a beautiful spot along the way, I can simply stop and spend the night there. To make these trips possible, I of course need power for all my devices. In the camper, that includes the fridge, heating and power to charge my phone and laptop. On the boat, there's a lot of tech that enables modern fishing, like a front roller or several fish finders. All these devices consume a lot of energy, so I decided to install a complete power system to my specific needs. Before buying products from LiTime, I did my research to find out which brand would be the best for me. I looked for the product features, like technical specifications, size and weight. Of course, the price played also a role. In the end, I chose LiTime products because the quality to price ratio was excellent. Thanks to LiTime batteries, I can be off-grid in my camper for almost a week, and on the boat, the power lasts up to 3 days without needing a recharge. This opens a whole new range of traveling possibilities and increases my chances of successfully fishing trips. I can truly recommend LiTime products and already looking forward for the next adventure.